Hello students, today we are going to start our new topic. Our mathematics 6 number topic is, who will read the name of the topic? multiplication, multiplication. Do you know meaning of multiplication? As I have drawn in bracket, that is the sign. It's not a cross. Huh? In English, whenever we write the opposite words, that time we give that sign, that is opposite sign. But in mathematics, it has a name. That name is multiplication. In Marathi we say गुणाकार. गुणाकार म्हणतो की नाही आपण? Multiplication. Now concept of multiplication. Why multiplication? Why we have to do the multiplication? Till today we have done the addition, subtraction. But why multiplication? It avoids the repeated addition. It avoids म्हणजे काय? टाळतं ते. What avoids? Repeated addition. Means whenever the lot of numbers are given and we have to count those numbers. That time in short we can use the multiplication. But it has some rules. Which are those rules? Suppose the first example. I have drawn 4 squares here. Some are rectangles, but we say that these are the squares. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. For those squares we will use one word. Group. Means how many groups are there? 4. G1 group 1. G2 group 2. Third group, and that is a fourth group. Means if the example is given to us, which is the example, the triangles are given and we have to count those triangles. Instead of doing addition, we can use the multiplication. But how? कसं वापरायचं? As I said, in groups. How many groups are there? Firstly count the groups. 4 groups are there. In every group, how many objects are involved? How many objects are given? We have to count it firstly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 triangles. Means same. Third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In third group also the 5 triangles. The remaining fourth one, in that also 5 triangles. Means as I said you, whenever we have to do the multiplication, it has some rules. We can take the groups. We can count the groups. But in that group, the number of the objects must be same. Only that time we can do the multiplication. Otherwise, no. Means if in first two group there are 5 triangles, but in third group 7 triangles, and in fourth group 8 triangles, we cannot do the multiplication. That time we have to do the addition. But here the groups are given 4, and in every group number of objects are same. Means instead of doing addition, we can do the multiplication. For that, firstly write the number of group. How many number of group? 4. Then in each of the group, how many objects are given? Don't count the all. एकाच ह्याच्यातले पाहिजे. How many objects are given here? 5. 4 into 5 means we have to. This is called multiplication. But in mathematics, don't say that 4 multiplication 5. We can in short say into. 4 into 5 means we have to say the table of 4 up to the 5, or table of 5 up to the 4. You can change the order of the number also. Say the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Means our answer is 20. There is no need to do the addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Don't do that. In short, we can do that multiplication, that is 4 into 5 means 20. You can cross check. Cross check means you can add also. Add these triangles. How many triangles are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Same. The answer is same. Then why we have to do the addition? Addition नाही करायचं मग काय करणार तुम्ही? Multiplication. What is the rule of multiplication? Firstly take the number of groups. How many groups are given? 4 groups. In each group, count in each group how many objects are given. And let's do the multiplication with the help of table. But one more important thing is, for the multiplication, you must know the tables. Okay? This is the first example. Now, let's solve the second number example. In this, we have to add these circles. Wow! How many circles? Lot of circles are given. But don't do the addition. Let's count the group firstly. How many groups are here? 1, 2, 3 groups. Okay? 3 groups. Take the number 3 firstly into, or the sign of multiplication. Then in each group, how many objects are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. into 10. Say the table of 3 up to the 10 or vice versa. म्हणजे उलटा पण करू शकता तुम्ही. 10 stable up to 3. 3 stable up to 10. 3 10s are 30 or 10 3s are 30. Means our answer is, what is our answer? 30. Means it is the short form to avoid the repetition of addition. Addition करण्याची गरज नाही. With the help of multiplication we can get the answer. But for that again I am telling you what is the rule. Firstly write the number of groups. Then in each group how many objects are given. And let's do the multiplication. In this way, this is our topic, multiplication, to avoid the repeated addition. Okay, let's start our next unit. That unit is while doing multiplication, if the example is given horizontally, means in sleeping manner, we have to write that example vertically, means in standing manner. How to write it? 6 into 2 or 2 into 6. As I said you can change the number of order. Means at the place of 6 we can take 2. At the place of 2 we can take 6. 6 into 2, 2 into 6, both are same. But it is given horizontally, sleeping. How to write vertically? 6 into 2. Firstly write the 6. It's a ones position. Exactly below that, take the another number. That is a 2. Give the multiplication side aside that 2. And after that, let's do the multiplication. As we write the examples of subtraction, addition, vertically, like that same. Only we have to change the sign. You know it. At the time of addition also, 6 plus 2, we write the number in this way. Ones position, tens position, tens position. 6 into 2, multiplication sign. Say the table of 2 up to the 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. This is our answer. 2 6s are 12. It's very easy. Second example, 8 into 5. Where we have to write the 8? Upside. Then exactly below that, write the 5. Give the sign of multiplication. 5 stable up to 8 or 8 stable up to 5. You can see in any way. 5 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 40, so 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30, 5 7 is a 35, 5 8 is a 40. Means our answer is 40. Last 7 into 4. Same way. 7 upside. Exactly below that write 4. Give the sign of multiplication. And then write the answer. 7 4 ja, 4 7 ja, what it means? 7 4 ja. 7 means the 7, 7 2 ja, 14, 7 3 ja, 21, 7 4 ja, 28. Means this is our answer. 28. In this way, whenever the example is given in this way, we have to arrange that vertically and write the answer with the help of tables. Today we are going to learn the properties of multiplication. Till today we have learned the properties of subtraction, properties of addition. Means in those properties, sometimes we can change the number of the order. Sometimes we have multiply with 0, multiply by 1. That time now, this time multiplications properties, and those are the multiply by 0 and multiply by 1. Which are these properties? Whenever we multiply any number with 0, that time we get the answer 0. Might be that number is small or big, it doesn't matter. If you have taken 1 into 0, answer is 0. If you have taken number 99 into 0, the answer is 0. This is the first property, that is a multiply by 0. What is that property? Whenever we multiply any number, small or big, with 0, we get the answer 0. This is the first, and for this, these examples are written here. 3 into 0, what will be the answer? As I said you, any number multiply with 0, get the answer 0. 3 into 0, 0. Second number, 4 into 0. It doesn't matter the number is small or big. Now this time 15 number is taken. It is greater than 3 and 4. But the multiply by 0. That's why its answer also 0. This is the first property. Now the second. This is the multiply by 1. What is this property? When we multiply any number with 1, we get the answer that number itself. That number itself. Means whenever we have to multiply 5 into 1. 5 into 1. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. Then 12 into 1 means 12. Here I have written, we get the answer itself. That itself. Itself means तोच number परत येतो. 12 into 1, 12 ones are 12. 10 into 1, 10 ones are 10. 13 into 1, 13 ones are 13. Means when we multiply any number with 1, we get the answer itself. Itself means that same number. There is no change in that. Okay. These are the properties of multiplication. Multiply by 0 and multiply by 1. Now today we are going to learn the multiplication stories. Multiplication story means word problems which we have taken in addition and subtraction also. We know in addition with the help of word more we can identify. Means that is the example of addition. Means I have given 3 more, 2 more. And in subtraction which words are important? Left, remain with the help of those. Now in multiplication stories or in the example of multiplication, which words are involved? Let's see with the help of some examples. Suppose there are 2 bikes on the road. Okay, 2 bikes on the road. Each bike has 3 persons. Each bike has 3 persons. How many persons are there in all? There in all. Means whenever firstly 2 groups are given. How many bikes are given? 2 bikes. Means these are the 2 groups. Each bike has 3 persons. एका गाडीवर किती जण आहेत? 3. Means 2 groups. Each group has 3. Means 2 into 3. With the help of this we can do the multiplication. Means in the example of multiplication in word problem, what is given? Firstly group is given. And after that in each group, in all group not, in each group the number of objects are given. And with the help of that we have to identify, we have to calculate how many objects are there in all. As I said you, 2 bikes, each bike has 3 persons. Means 2 bikes, this is the group. 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 2 3s are 6. Means there are 6 persons in all. Again, next example. In our school there are 4 classes. Okay, there are 4 classes. Every class has, or in every class there are 10 students. Okay. How many groups are there? 4 groups. Each group means each class has how many students? 10 students. How many students are there in all? Means 4 into 10. 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. Means firstly group is important. What is important? Group is important. Again, third example. There are 5 buses on bus stand. How many buses? 5 buses on bus stand. Every bus has 2 televisions, 2 TVs. See, on bus stand how many buses are there? 5 buses. Each bus has 2 TVs. एका बस मध्ये किती टीव्ही आहेत? 2. How many TVs are there in all? Firstly take the group 5 into each group has 2 TVs means 2. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 means 5 2s are 10. Means there are 10 TVs in those buses. With the help of this we can identify the number of quantity. How much is there? Let's see one example. Firstly read the example carefully. There are 4 buildings. How many buildings are there? 4. Each building has, not 4, each building has 3 windows. Each building has 3 windows means एका building ला किती windows आहेत? 3 windows. How many windows are there in all? Means this is the example of multiplication. Firstly group is given and the information about each group is given there. That is a 3. Means 4 into 3. Firstly take the group. This is our group. 4 buildings. Take that number firstly 4. Sign of multiplication. After that each group. Each building. Each means 1. Each building has 3 windows. is equal to 4's table up to 3. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Means there are 12 windows in those 4 buildings. In this way we can identify the total number of the objects with the help of multiplication. For multiplication, tables are most important.